Choosing a contractor for your renovation is an important decision. How will you know if they are good? They need to be known for being able to go beyond the ordinary designs that so many other companies offer. They must be ready and able to do all sorts of renovations in both apartments and single-dwelling homes. Their main focus needs to provide the homeowner with customized improvements to your home or apartment that will reflect your own unique taste and style. Let's take, for example, one of the main areas of renovations in most homes and apartments. It is kitchen and bathroom renovations. You need to find a company that has qualified designers to help you and your family to enjoy a beautiful and unique kitchen or bathroom design. Their designers must have the training and the experience to help you create a stylish, contemporary kitchen or bathroom. A top-notch company will have no trouble redoing or replacing your old and tiled kitchen cabinetry with beautiful cabinets and countertops. They will be able to offer you a wide range of cabinet door styles. Some of the more popular ones on the market today are solid wood, like cherry or maple. Also, they need to have a more contemporary line of doors such as vinyl or plastic coated. The better companies will manufacture their own cabinet doors. They will employ skilled craftsmen who take pride in what they produce. Also, they will have on staff a group of qualified installers who will make sure that every detail in the kitchen or bathroom design is followed to the letter. Their installers should have many years of experience in the installation of cabinets and countertops. They all should do every installation as if it was their own home. A good home remodeling company should take their after-sales service very serious. If you have any service issues after the job is completed, you need to be assured that they will be there to repair it on a timely basis. Besides kitchen and bathroom renovations, the better remodeling companies will be able to tackle any job, any size. They need to back up their promises. They should also be able to provide you with a list of their customers who are happy and completely satisfied. This is what a better company is all about.